got outplayed. They shot the ball really well. Yung physicality ng laro, medyo hindi kami nakapag-respond dun sa physicality. So I guess that's one thing we need to remember and learn lessons from this Saturday. Pagbalik namin, kailangan mas prepared kami, no, for a very physical game. Maganda rin yung, sabi ko nga, maganda yung outside shooting nila. Sobrang ganda. We were challenging the shots. A lot of the shots were contested, but they just made good shots. On our end, siguro kailangan kami mag-step up in terms of being a little bit more aggressive defensively, and medyo yung transition game namin, yung running game namin, I don't know if we're tired or we're a little slower, no? We're not able to get to the pace that we would usually be playing. But the good thing is may isang laro pa, and we earned that other chance to play again on Saturday and see how we can take this game and analyze it and find ways to play better on Saturday.
Coach, every other game yung laro, previous game ngayon, mas may pahinga kayong 3 days.
Yeah, at least may 3 days kaming pahinga. Pero sa akin naman, we can play a longer rotation. We've been playing a longer rotation. Kung pagod kami, tingin ko baka mas pagod sila. So, mas bata naman yung mga players namin. So, I think sa amin pa rin yung advantage nung having to play with a smaller gap in between games. So, hindi ko masyadong pinoproblema yun. Pero it's still good that we're able to rest a few more days. Okay pa rin yun. Ang maganda rin doon is we have time to watch video and we have time to make adjustments on our game plan.
Coach, kasi going by the trend nung series, yung plano nyo na kumakawala yung Magnolia during second quarter.
Tama yun. Actually, ang objective lang namin is keep the game close. Pagka malapit yung game, pagka matigit yung game, yun doon kami nananalo. Pagka nakalayo na sila, nagka-rhythm na sila, mahirap nang pigilin yung momentum nila. So, yun nga, the objective on Saturday is just keep the game close and play it all the way to the end game. And that's where we're able to win in close games. So, wag lang sanang biglang magka yung masyadong malaking run na hindi mo na mahabol. At the same time, yung rin sa amin, yung experience of playing a game 5, of being in a winner-take-all situation, sa akin, kasama na ng build-up nun. Kasama na ng build-up yan. We're always getting better every playoff game that we play. So, investment namin to sa future ng team na para lalo kang tumitibay pagka ganitong sitwasyon. So, a game 5 would be good for us as a team.